In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Zcissors brand scissors to easily finish your cover stitch. These scissors are specially designed with a rounded edge and a cutting notch on the back side of each blade, and they work like this. As you come to the end of your project, raise your needles to the highest point and lift your presser foot. Now, instead of grabbing a random tool to sweep those upper threads, use scissors instead. That rounded backside blade allows you to pull the threads without breaking. Once you have a few inches, slide the threads past the cutting notch and rotate the scissors towards you to snag them. Pull on the scissors and your upper threads cut. Next, pull your project out the back. This is where the upper threads will pull through to the bottom, and that's what locks your stitch. Then, snip all 3 threads to remove your project from the machine. You have a beautiful finish on the surface, your stitches are locked on the bottom, and you are all done with your project. Every machine and project is a little different, so it may take some practice before you have the hang of this new technique in your particular workflow. Hi, my name is Heather Zager, and I am the creator of Zcissors. If you have any questions as you use your scissors or feedback on how to make them better, I'd love to hear from you. You can email me at info@zcissors.com. I hope you find them as fun to use as I did in making them. Happy cover stitching!